How's it going, everybody? Nick at MarineMax Crosslake here. Today I'm standing in a 2026 Nautique GS22. This boat features the ZZ5. That's 355 horsepower engine. So whether you're skiing or wakeboarding or surfing, plenty of juice. This boat has the supplemental 500 pounds of ballast built in. So for the wake surfing and wakeboarding, you're gonna have an awesome wake. As we move into the midship, you'll notice we've got that brown and Admiral blue interior, very sharp with the white gel coat, really pops. That Admiral blue flake is on the exterior along with the white. Looks really good on the water or on these bright sunny days. This boat also features the retractable heater hoses, which are really nice for those cooler days that are coming up so that you can maximize your time on the water, stay nice and warm, whether that's behind the passenger for someone who's done skiing or surfing, or at the helm for your driver. This boat also features a heated captain seat and a heated love seat, as well as a wireless charging station in the love seat glove box. You can check out more of this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop at our Crosslake location and see it for yourself.